Volkswagen. This car handles so good. I'm driving it literally with one finger. Running along here with traffic, probably about 55, 60 miles an hour. Just got off the interstate running it with traffic, probably 80. One finger. Car rides like it's on rails. I just had all the services done to it. Just had the oil changed. Had the valves all adjusted, checked. Brakes all the way around. New wheel cylinders on the front. Pads. Yeah, a lot of other things he did to it. It's all serviced. It's ready to go. The car is a blast to drive.